Occasionally I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own. So
hey loves, welcome back for another video. Today I'm bringing you some ultimate all-day cleaning motivation. And right now I'm going to be starting out in my laundry room. So if you are ready for this motivation, go ahead and leave me a like, subscribe if you have not already. Make sure that notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get to cleaning.
never coming down.
So I wanted to go ahead and start a load of laundry before I started cleaning, but when I came in here, the washer and dryer were looking a little dirty, so I decided to give them a good wipe down before I got started.
I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built a wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down.
Now moving on to my bedroom. You have to excuse the lighting. It was really cloudy this morning, so I just had to work with what I had. I'm just gonna go ahead and make up the bed really quickly. I also wanted to give the nightstands a wipe down, the TV stand, and also clean the window because it was filthy. It was actually growing mold. It was disgusting. So I got all of that cleaned up too.
Stronger.
This might be the last time you see this pink pillow, you guys. I'm not exactly sure, but I do want to switch it up because it is falling into like the fall season and I love pink, but I do want to change up some things pretty soon. So this might be the last time you see it.
On my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. I fall behind every time that you're around. And it's a lie when I
Moving on to the window. First, I'm going to take off this window fly trap. I don't know if you can see that really good, but it is full of those little gnats or fruit flies, whatever they are. These little things, you just stick them to your window. They are clear, but they attract so many of these flies, and I promise you, they really work and they're really inexpensive.
my feelings now, I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, to shut my eyes.
And also, I put that mold and mildew spray on the window. You have to let it sit until it turns white or clear, and then you can go back and clean it. So now I'm going back and just wiping it down. I just put some water on this microfiber cloth and I'm cleaning it up.
I stay alive because I feel ready now. I see red, I feel blue, but it's all black and white. It's black and white. And in the night I tend to lose my sight. I fade out within the moving lines. But I got time, that's why I'm breathing now. I can
If you're new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Sean Yvonne, and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2. And on my channel, I make motivational cleaning videos just like this one. So if that is your thing, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. Go ahead and leave me a comment so we can get to know each other. And also to all of my loyal returning subscribers, you know how much I love and appreciate you guys for always coming back and supporting me.
See through my mind, to see through my mind, to see through my mind, see through my mind. In the night, in the night.
So now that I'm done cleaning my bedroom, that first load of laundry is ready to go in the dryer, and of course I'm going to put another load in and repeat the cycle.
Walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be my.
Now it's time to tidy up the living room. The kids are down for a nap. This is my alone time, but I spent this time cleaning up because sometimes nap time is the best time to clean up. Usually I don't like to clean up during nap time because that is the only time I have to catch up on some work and get some things done. But this day I wanted to go ahead and get this video done for you guys so you can get all the motivation.
Oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. I just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room. Caught in emotion on every occasion. Laughter and hours of gloom.
Just in case you're wondering, I am using this Force of Nature cleaner on the TV stand and coffee table. If you're interested, the link and the information will be in my description box along with a discount code for you.
Oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. Oh, I never meant to start a fire. As I said, you got me falling. You will always be my reason to stay. Oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. Oh, you got me falling.
Now I'm just going to tidy up the dining room area and the kitchen area. You guys know this is my absolute favorite room to clean. It brings me the most satisfaction seeing my kitchen area all clean, and just look at the shine on that table. This orange glow does not play, okay? Get you some.
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it out in time. To be alone is depressing, and you're hurting, I can see it in your eyes. I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you, baby. Why are you stressing? Why you find you won't be able to deny.
Now these countertops in the kitchen were cluttered, and I cannot stand clutter. I just can't. Okay, so I'm gonna get everything decluttered and looking much better.
To heal, so I wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I wait while you.
So a lot of you guys asked me to give a review on what I thought about these Grove Collaborative microfiber cloths, and I really do love them. They are really nice quality. I'll tell you that. They're super thick. They haven't given me any problems. I haven't seen any lint coming from them. So far so good.
And you watch the sun goes down for you. I would do whatever. I'll pick you up where you feel you're about to drown. Just take this chance and fly away with me. Let's break your chains and give you time to heal. So I wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. Wait while you take your time. Wait while you.
Y'all, while I was loading this dishwasher, my husband snuck up on me, and it scared me so badly because I didn't hear him come in. But you already know your girl was trying to hurry up and get done so we could have lunch together since it was his break. And then I got back to the cleaning
Tell
afterwards.
me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want us to be for real now. Real now. Oh. So I wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait while take your time. And darling, baby, take your time.
Occasionally I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part
So the last thing I did was refill these soap dispensers because they were getting low, and I'm just using this Grove Collaborative soap. This one is lemon, eucalyptus, and something else. I'll have to look and let you guys know, but it smells so good. And you know your girl was rushing to finish cleaning because I forgot to sweep the floor. Okay, I did sweep it off camera, but I was hurrying up to not waste so much time on my husband's 1 hour lunch break, and your girl forgot.
I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built a wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold.
So moving on to my bathroom, I'm just gonna go ahead and tidy up this countertop. It was full of stuff. I promise you guys, when we move to our new house, there will be so many organization videos because things are out of order and I do not like it.
Coming down, 'cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down.
At this point in my cleaning, my daughter was screaming my name at the top of her lungs like somebody was hurting her. So I had to go see what was wrong. Y'all, with little kids, you already know what I mean. As soon as you are cleaning or doing something, the kids just do the most, okay? But I still was able to finish all of my cleaning. So if you have made it this far into the video, go ahead and leave your girl some pink hearts so that I'll know that you are here until the very end.
That's why I'm breathing now. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I stay alive because I feel ready now. I see red, I feel blue, but it's all black and white. It's black and white. And in the night I tend to lose my sight. I fade out within the moving lights. But I got time, that's why I'm breathing now. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings now. I can see.
Alright, loves, this is all of the motivation I have for you today. I hope you were able to get a lot of motivation from today's video to take with you today and get some things done around your home. Don't forget to leave this video a like if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you have not already. Make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. You don't want to miss it, you guys. Go ahead and join my notification squad. I love having you guys here. Go ahead and leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Loosen